This recipe is another banger. I mean, ginger and clove. You boil them together for like 10 minutes. After boiling it together, then you bring it down and allow it to cool. You bring it down and allow it to cool. As you can see, it's cooling off. After cooling, then you add a spoon of honey to it. Okay, this is for sore throats, cold, infection, easy digestion, and so many other things, because honey contains antibiotics and antioxidants. Same thing as clove. Clove also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory that helps you look young. Okay, and also ginger. Ginger is another antibiotics which helps to fight so many diseases in your body. So this combination is a very good one. Try this and